going to do my Oldsmobile. It's a 2001, and I'm going to go through it and show you how to check the fluids on that. What you want to do is you want to open the hood. On these, the hoods don't stay up by themselves. You got to use the prop rod. Alright guys, this thing's been running so the engine's warm. We're going to do the engine oil first on this engine, on the Oldsmobile Alero 2.4. It's in the back, it's marked yellow, and it says engine right on it. We're going to wipe this off. On the dipstick it'll tell you full mark, and then in between with the cross hatchets. And it'll say add 1 quart if it's in between here. Let's see where we're at. So I'm 3/4 of the way up on that scale, so I'm good. I'm not going to add a quart. I could probably add like half a quart and be okay, but I'm just going to keep it right where it's at. So wipe it off again and put it back. She's good. With the antifreeze, it's usually marked on the antifreeze tank or bottle. And if you look on this side, right here in the front, it'll tell you full cold. It's got a little line. I don't know if you can see it, but the antifreeze is right up to there, so it's perfect. It's perfect. It's right on the mark. No need for antifreeze. On this battery here, it's a Daihan. It's a sealed battery, so we don't have to check this battery. There's nothing to open up. It's a maintenance-free battery. Don't have to do anything with it. Power steering fluid on these vehicles is right here on the top. On the driver's side, it'll say power steering right on it. You just twist your cap to the left. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Same thing with every dipstick. You wipe it off first, take a look, see where the markings are, and then go ahead and put it back in and then hook it up. The last check that you can do on this car is your brake fluid. Most brake fluid master cylinders are the same way nowadays. They have a tank with a marking on the side. If you look at the side, you'll see where it says max, and the fluid's right at max. So we're good to go with brake fluid. We don't even need to touch that. That's the only thing you can check on these as far as fluids go. The transmission, you cannot check it. You'd have to take it to the shop, pick the car up, so you can't check it. It doesn't have a dipstick. You can fill it in from the top here, but you can't check the level on that. You'd have to have the shop do it. But other than that, you can maintain your engine oil, your brake fluid oil, your antifreeze fluid, and your battery if you have one that actually has caps on it. And that's it for this 2001 Oldsmobile Alero fluid checks. Any comments, questions, you know what to do.